What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax with my cat. Say hello. This is Bree. Bree, say hi. Hello, everyone. All right. We're going to take a look at SPX. We're sitting at 224. Regrettable decision. Or not SPX. We're up 10% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.1 billion. 24-hour volume, 131 million. So let's hop into the chart. Beautiful push back to the upside, which means that was our low on our wave 4. Now we're pushing up in a wave 5 in between 251 and 279. Now this could lead to a much larger pullback, considering we've created 5 waves off this low here, but we're in store for that. As you can see, we've just been exploding to the upside. So we could eventually see a larger pullback depending on Bitcoin dominance. If alt season starts, then everything just starts going crazy, but there is potential you could pull all the way back towards $1 if we do see a big pullback after finishing that 5-wave move to the upside. We hit our target of our inverse head and shoulders at 229 absolutely beautifully. Nice trade there. And but we're not trading SPX. We're just believing in something. We are currently in a few trades right now. But that's what I'm looking at for SPX. In between 251, 279, I do think we'll go to in between $25 to $50 a coin minimum in this cycle. I do think there is potential to go higher, but that is my prediction for this cycle. But we're not trading this one, just believing in something. BTC looks like we may have put in that low in the wave 4. So if Bitcoin pushes to in between 126 to 129, SPX is likely going to absolutely fly. But if we roll over and this wave 4 correction simply isn't over yet, then SPX might just push up to these targets and then start to see its pullback. That's what we're looking for. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time, sign up to Bitfinex. There's absolutely no strings attached. Once you've signed up, that's all you have to do. Just send me an email and I will send you the link. That includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects. I just upload off my phone today, but usually I'm doing it off my laptop, including SPX. We're in trades for Giga and Ethereum, which are both in juicy profits. You can see what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits. Almost 3,000 members talking all things crypto. Yours free with a 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. No strings attached. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.